Namaskar, welcome to my new vlog. So in this vlog today we will see how we can grow tomatoes of better quality easily in our home garden. So first you need to select a good number of tomato which is of very good quality and it must be overripe. You need to select a small tomato which is overripe. Okay, after selecting the perfect tomato, cut it into round pieces. We need to sow the seeds along with the whole tomato. You need to sow the seeds. First you need to dig the sand a little bit with any instrument if you have. Then place the tomatoes in the soil as shown and then add the soil in a generous amount, and then you need to tap the soil. You need to make these plants in a well sunlighted area and daily water them for in 2 to 3 times. If you want, you can add some cow dung or any organic compost if you wish. You can also add dry leaves upon it so that it will act as a manure for it. And then on the top, you need to cover it with the dry soil like this. See, these are the other green leafy vegetables in our garden. So this is turmeric. These turmeric leaves are mainly used to prepare many dishes, mainly sweets, and then you have other green leafy vegetables which are used for curries as well as sabzi. The haldi, which is in the root, which is dried, then it is powdered. So these are the green leafy vegetables. These are the watermelon creepers which started to grow. I think within 2 months it will bear the fruit. These are the hibiscus plant. These hibiscus are mainly used to perform pujas, and you can also make hibiscus juice in your home. I'll share a recipe video that how to make hibiscus juice in your home. So you need to water this tomato plant 3 times a day, and you can also add any dry leaves upon it so it will act as a compost for it. You can also add organic manure such as dried copra cake or the coconut cake or groundnut cake as well as neem cake. It will act as a natural organic compost. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe my channel. Let us meet in the next video. Bye bye.